Instagram follower growth service versus doing it yourself, which wins? Let's break this down for small business owners in 2026. Growing your Instagram followers can eat up 15 hours a week. That's time you could spend running your actual business. The question isn't just about followers. It's about reputation, trust, and conversions that actually matter. Imagine your dashboard tomorrow. First, understand what doing it yourself really costs. You'll spend hours creating content, engaging with followers, and tracking analytics. Most small business owners burn out in 3 months. The algorithm changes constantly. Keeping up is a full-time job nobody signed up for. Second, know what a professional service actually does differently. Companies like ReputationZilla handle social media growth as part of reputation management. They don't just chase follower counts. They build profiles that convert. They manage reviews across platforms. They dispute policy violating content that hurts your brand. Third, calculate the hidden costs of DIY growth. You're not just trading time. You're risking your brand reputation with every post. One bad response to a negative comment goes viral. One missed review on Google Maps costs you customers. The stakes are higher than most people think. Fourth, consider the multi-platform reality of 2026. Your reputation isn't just Instagram. It's Google Maps reviews, TripAdvisor ratings, Yelp disputes. ReputationZilla manages all of these together. DIY means juggling 5 platforms alone. Professional services connect the dots you didn't know existed. Fifth, look at what you're actually buying with a service. You're not paying for followers. You're paying for professional reputation management. ReputationZilla disputes reviews that violate platform policies. They handle TripAdvisor and Yelp professionally. They grow your social presence while protecting your brand. That's the real difference. Now the numbers. Average hours per week, DIY Instagram management, is 15. Platforms managed, professional reputation service, is 4+. Months before DIY burnout, small business average, is 3. Here's what it costs. 15. Compare these two paths. DIY Instagram growth, you spend 15 hours weekly. You handle one platform. You react to problems after they explode. You learn through expensive mistakes. Your reputation is vulnerable across every review site. You're alone when a crisis hits. Versus professional service like ReputationZilla, they manage multiple platforms simultaneously. They dispute policy violating reviews before damage spreads. They grow your social media as part of comprehensive reputation management. They handle Google Maps, TripAdvisor, and Yelp disputes professionally. You focus on your business. Look at this detail. Here's what nobody tells you about DIY Instagram growth in 2026. The platforms punish you for mistakes now. Use the wrong hashtags, you're shadow banned. Engage too fast, you're flagged as spam. By followers, you're done. But the real danger is elsewhere. While you're perfecting your Instagram grid, your reputation crumbles on review sites. One bad Google Maps review costs you 30 potential customers. Professional reputation management isn't optional anymore. It's survival. The biggest mistake small business owners make? Thinking follower count equals success. It doesn't. 1,000 engaged followers beat 10,000 fake ones every time. But here's the trap. While you chase followers, negative reviews pile up on Google Maps. Your TripAdvisor rating drops. Yelp complaints go unanswered. ReputationZilla exists because reputation is bigger than one platform. Social media growth works when it's part of a strategy. Alone, it's just vanity metrics that don't pay bills. ReputationZilla offers these services. Professional Reputation Management Agency. This is the form you fill in. Here's the full loop. Most people quit at week 2. Don't. So which wins? Neither, if you're asking the wrong question. Instagram follower growth alone is incomplete. Your reputation spans multiple platforms. ReputationZilla offers professional reputation management that includes social media growth. They dispute policy-violating reviews. They manage TripAdvisor, Yelp, and Google Maps. They protect your brand while growing your presence. DIY works if you have 15 extra hours weekly and expertise across platforms. Most small business owners don't. That's not failure. That's reality. Ready to stop juggling platforms alone? Get help with your online reputation at ReputationZilla. Visit ReputationZilla.org and let professionals handle your reputation across every platform that matters. Your business deserves better than burnout. Visit https://reputationzilla.org. If this helped you, subscribe for more from ReputationZilla, and tap the link below. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.